Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your SSH keys and harden access on a new VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your current server through SSH. Open your terminal and enter the SSH command for your existing server. Use the command SSH user at old server IP. Replace user with your username and old server IP with your existing server's IP address. Once logged in, locate your SSH keys, usually found in the .ssh directory. Enter the command cd/.ssh. List the contents of the directory with ls. Look for files named id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. These files represent your private and public keys, respectively. To securely transfer your SSH keys, use the scp command. In a new terminal window, type scp user at old server IP /.ssh/id_rsa new user at new server IP. Replace new user with your username and new server IP with the IP address of your new VPS. You may also want to transfer your public key using the same method. Now, establish an SSH connection to your new VPS. Use the command SSH new user at new server IP. Once logged in, ensure the .ssh directory exists. If it doesn't exist, create it using dir/.ssh. Set the right permissions for the directory with chmod 700/.ssh. Next, place your SSH key files into the .ssh directory. To do this, move your id_rsa and id_rsa.pub files. Set permissions for your private key by running chmod 600/.ssh/id_rsa. Confirm the correct permissions by listing them with lsl/.ssh. To enhance security, disable password authentication on your new server. Open the SSH configuration file with sudo nano/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Locate the line that reads #password authentication yes. Change it to password authentication no to disable password logins. Next, save and exit the file. Restart the SSH service to apply the new configuration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.